Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are healthy and safe at your homes. I, Ajay Kumar Singh, will be teaching you English onwards for the new session of 2020 to 2021. And today, the date is 1st April 2020 and the day is Wednesday. From today, we are going to start our first class. And the topic for our very first class is English Grammar's sentence. So before starting the class, just answer a simple question. What do you mean by a sentence? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि sentences होते क्या हैं या sentence का मतलब क्या है? Try to answer it on your own. It's actually a very simple question. Okay, let me help you with this. In a sentence, we have a group of words which delivers a perfect meaning. For example, if I am saying something and if it is meaningful, then it becomes a sentence. That's very easy. जैसे हम कभी कोई बात करते हैं तो हम बहुत सारे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. That means we use words and these words are combined together to give a perfect, एक proper meaning देने के लिए ये शब्द मिलकर काम करते हैं and that is how a sentence becomes meaningful and only a meaningful sentence can be considered as a proper sentence. Understood? Very good. So now, can you help me or can you just write a few examples for yourself and for me? Very good. Just pause the video for a minute and try to write a few examples of sentences. Till then, I'll be doing some for you. Okay, now I think you have done your work which I've assigned you. Now, it's my time to write a few examples of sentences for you. So now, let's start with our very first example. Our first example is Papa rings the bell. Fine. Our second example will be do not go outside. This is the very common sentence you are getting heard of every day. I know, as I am also hearing this same sentence from my parents regularly. So now let's move on to the third sentence. What are you doing nowadays? Again, a very relevant sentence for us. What are you doing nowadays? Studying or not? You can think about it. Now let's move on to our fourth and the last sentence, that is hooray, hooray, hooray. We have won the match. You must have used the sentence various times. Or whenever we get a reward for a good thing, we use the word hooray, right? So whenever you receive the medal or a certificate or a trophy for your performance in the school, you must be saying the same word, hooray, I won this, I won that, right? Very good. So now, after writing these four sentences, I have a question for you. Do you find something interesting here? Let me show you. Here, in these sentences, we have a few symbols, or we can say signs. This one also, and this one too. Here, we are having three different symbols in our four sentences. But that does not mean that we have only three types of sentence here. Actually, these symbols or the signs actually define the type of sentence. ये जो निशान, ये symbols यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, ये हमें sentences को पहचानने में मदद करते हैं और ये sentences के types को हमें बताते हैं. So that is why these symbols are actually very important to understand. And about these sentences, we will be learning in our next class. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and stay safe. And do not go outside. Dear students, as you are aware about a few sentences now, you can talk to your parents and your siblings about various types of sentences that you use in your daily life, and it will help you building a better understanding about the sentences. जाइए अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने भाई बहनों से sentences के बारे में थोड़ी सी बात कीजिए. Till then, take care and have a nice day. And now a parenting tip in the end. Use the time wisely by making a schedule or a timetable for your child. Thank you and have a nice day.